Okay, so trade journals are actually sometimes easier to find online than they are in the library databases. Some fields don't have many trade journals in the library databases. So I'm going to just do a Google search for construction trade journals because there's not a lot in the databases as far as trade journals for that. And I just click on something that looks good here, Construction Today. It's calling it a magazine. Remember, trade journal, trade magazine, same thing. So this opened up to their About Us page, and on the About Us page it usually tells who their intended audience is. That makes it a little easier for you. At the bottom it says the readers are CEOs, presidents, and other high-ranking executives at construction and construction-related firms. So there we go. That tells us that the intended audience of this magazine is experts in the field, people who are actually out there, in the field, not scholars and researchers who might be working at universities, but also not the general public, people who aren't experts in the field. So this is exactly the right kind of target audience. And so then you'll just want to go to their homepage and make sure that you're able to actually read articles for free and that the articles are, interesting. This is an article that I clicked on. And, here it is. I can read it for free. So I know that this is a trade journal because I know that the audience is appropriate. And I can see that it's not a scholarly article from reading it as well. Thanks very much.